Hey there YouTube, Jumpmaster RC coming at you today with another construction site bash. We got the Kraton 6S out. He's a little bit dirty today, but doesn't matter because he's just going to get even dirtier. It's a little bit muddy out here. We've had some rain recently. So we're just going to give it a quick rip. See what we can't get into out here. So I did change the punch setting up to punch setting 9, and we'll see what that does. Other than that, we're just going to go out here, have a good time, see what the Kraton can do. Holy cow! You know we're getting into that, folks. In fact, let's go do it now. Oh man, not again. All right, we got to do something about these body mounts. All right, YouTube, had to use a little bit of Jumpmaster ingenuity right here. I didn't have any replacement body mounts, and I ripped 3 of the 4 off of the thumb screw body mounts. So I just took some old rubber suction cups that I had from a window repair kit that was in my truck, and I screwed them in. I'm gonna have to replace these body mounts anyway. So this will pretty much just be temporary fix. Won't be anything, you know, quick. So, but at least we were able to finish the run today. So at least for now. So let's get back at it. Ow. Don't do that, people. That freaking hurt. Well, this will be a first test of my makeshift body mounts. That was sweet. Oh yeah. Now that's how you do it, folks. That adds like 20 pounds. You hear that? That's bad. That is really bad. End up breaking a gear. Here we go. So let's not do that again, guys. I'm freaking filthy now. As I got a lot of upgrades coming, so stay tuned. Like, subscribe, comment, share with your friends. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Well, guys, I snapped the wheelie bar. Look at that. Look at that. That's fantastic. Right there at the where the screws went in. That's okay. We'll keep it moving. This is why we bring extra stuff. It's a long walk back. Damn it, I didn't even get to the big one yet. I have to limit the wheelies at this point. Well, we'll just see what happens. What not to do, folks. That's all right. Learn from my mistakes. Hey, the more I drive, the better I'm going to get. I don't claim to be a pro at any of this. I'm learning right along with you, folks. So I'm no different. I'm no different than you. All the mistakes you make, I'm making them too. Car wash. Car wash. Oh. Uh-oh. Something's wrong with the right tire, right front. That's one I just put on. Looks like it might be out of balance a little bit. You see that chattering? It's just because there's so much mud and stuff in there. Woohoo! We're at LBC, folks. Guys, that was a heck of a lot of fun. Guys, if you like this, make sure you like, comment down below with the other stuff you'd like to see. You want to see more of this? Let me know. You want to see some speed runs? Let me know. I'll do what I can, where I can. The thing is these things come and go quickly around here. There's a lot of growth in our area, so if you want to see more of it, make sure that you like, subscribe, comment down below, share with all your friends and family. Jumpmaster RC, out.